Guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm deep in the trails. I am about 3 hours in. Apollo and I are descending back down from the mountain. We have to go through roads and yeah. So, I am with Apollo. There is a gentleman coming with a dog, and Apollo don't like other dogs. So, let's see what am I gonna do here. Let me get over here so I can calm him down, because if not, he'll become belligerent if the other dog comes belligerent. What you doing? Go. What you doing? So yeah. Hold on, guys. Yep, it happened. The guy's dog started barking, and Apollo, of course, is gonna react. That is his job. The guy apologized, and I said they're doing their job, protecting their master. So like I said, this video is part of the open collaboration summertime walking challenge, and this is with Boss Lady Denise Fitness and Marina Latrina. So like I said, we are descending from the mountain. Apollo is exhausted. Here I am, guys. Yeah, we just getting it all done and staying active. Keep moving, guys. Keep moving. I love this out here. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's peaceful. Usually when I go to the other part and I am not recording, I am usually listening to church. But since I decided to come deep into the mountain, I did not bring my earplugs, because, guys, when you're in a situation like this, you don't know who's hiding around to try to do harm. And something that I noticed, there are a lot of senior women. I'm talking about like in their 70s, walking up here by themselves, which is sad. It's dangerous, you know, and I don't know. I do not, honestly, I don't trust. And believe me, guys, I can run. I used to run track and field, and when I was in high school, and I can run. And I will not take a chance to come out here either without my dog, that he will alert me if anything is around, or without protection. So, but yeah, when you go to a hiking trail, I mean, this hiking trail goes through the mountain for hours. It passed several towns, and you could walk for 5 hours and never get to the end of it. So just be mindful and be careful, and try to go with somebody else, or take your dog with you. And I'm talking about from a medium-sized dog to a large dog that is able to protect you, you know. But I see a lot of older women. I saw 2 of them that they were together. 2 were together, which is okay. You could be a senior and be in a group, but don't be by yourself in these things, because you don't know. You don't know who's watching. You don't know what person is mentally unstable and try to harm you. You don't know. So you have to protect yourself. Anyway, guys, we're going with the same thing back. We're going to go through one of the main roads. We have to go through the main road. See, people don't stop. You gotta be very careful. I usually go. Come on, Apollo, run. I usually go. I don't need to go through the main or go through the woods like I did before. Yeah? You wanna go through the woods? Come on, let's go through the woods. Come on. I saw the guy that I don't know if you guys saw it in the camera with the hat. He turned back and then he was looking back. And I don't know if he's looking at me coming, so I decided to come this way and take another different path. Because like I said, you never know who's watching. You don't know people's intentions. So I'm going to go this way and I'm going to descend this way. Come on, Goldo, let's go. Ouch. Oh my goodness. I know guys, he's exhausted. He's been working for a while. And my husband and I are babysitting my son's dog. Her name is Daisy Dukes. And he doesn't like her because she's only 9 months old. And she be trying to play with him. And he don't like it. He be growling at her, snapping at her. Diamond don't mind. But Apollo don't. Because a lot of you guys know Apollo's a service dog. And he doesn't play with other dogs. He either works, chill next to me. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, guys. I am exhausted. I think already, I don't know. When I get home, well, not when I get home, when I get to the car because I drove to the park. I would check how many steps I did. Whew, child. I love this, guys. So peaceful. And always, you in a trail, look. And guys, if you have a dog, I don't say it enough, but make sure that when you get to your destination, you do not give them water right away. And if you do, make sure it's not cold water. Make sure it's room temperature, and just give them enough for them to wet their throat, not to drink a lot of it into their body. It's actually cool down, because if you don't, the dog could go into shock, okay? A lot of people make that mistake. They be like, oh, my dog is overheating, let me give him ice water. No, don't do that. You're going to kill your dog. Water from the faucet is good. And make sure it's room temperature, not ice cold. And also, you could also take a washcloth, damp it in water, not ice water, and rub it in his chest to help him stabilize his body temperature. Remember, guys, dogs do not sweat. They overheat. And it's up to you to protect them. And if you go somewhere, make sure there is not half payment. If you don't use shoes, doggy shoes, you could go in the sidewalk. My dog's Apollo, he doesn't like to use shoes. When I adopted Apollo, he was 1.5 years, and I couldn't get him used to it. Even though he's a service dog, I couldn't get him used to it. He would rip them off or not walk at all. So make sure that you take him to a park. And please do not take him to the park when it's 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the afternoon, because that's the hottest time of the day. Now it could be 12, 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. If it's like 75, 65 degrees, but when the temperature goes 75 and above, don't do that. Take them to where it's shady and they actually can enjoy themselves. Oh my gosh. See, I don't know, for some reason, coming down, when you're getting out of the park or out of the trail, there's a lot of mosquitoes in the entrance. Like, they're waiting. They be like, yeah, buffet, all you can eat. But while you're in the trail, there's no mosquitoes at all. Oh my gosh, Jesus, they're all over my face. My car is way over there. Come on, Apollo, let's go to the car. Let's go, boom, boom. This is where they keep the salt for the winter that they throw on the streets. Gosh almighty. My legs are shaky. See, this is what I'm talking about. This pavement, this gets so hot. Let me walk through the grass. Come on, Gordo. Let's get you out of the pavement. Come on. That's not it. almost there. Okay. Come on. We almost there. Just a little bit. I don't know. There's my car. The olive green. I know, Goldo. Come on. Come on, walk in the grass. Come on. Here you go. Good boy. Come on. We almost there. Come on. Well, guys, I'm almost at the car. So, guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And I do too. It will be into the next one. Bye. Apollo, come here. Hey, Apollo.